If your Fire TV suddenly looks different, this is why. Amazon is rolling out a major new Fire TV update right now. One of the biggest changes is the one a lot of people are going to hate most. Before this hits more devices, here is what changed and what still works. If you want TechVibes to keep tracking these changes, hit like now. This is a major update, so let us get into it. I do not have this update yet in my specific region, but many of you in the US and Canada are already seeing it. It is starting to spread into other regions as well. If you already have this, let me know your device and location in the comments. Later in the video, I will show you the change that matters most for switching apps. The first thing people are noticing is the home screen. The main navigation is now back at the top with specific tabs. You will see tabs for movies, TV shows, live sports, and news. At first glance, it actually looks cleaner. But the real issue starts when you try to get to your apps. Depending on how your Fire TV wakes up, you may see a large banner first. You might have to go through this banner before you even reach your apps. This is where the update starts to frustrate people. For a lot of users, getting to apps now takes more effort. You land on the home screen and go down through the banner. You pass another row and only then do you reach your apps. That alone is already less convenient than before. But here is the bigger issue. The full screen app grid is completely gone. There is no quick jump to all your apps and no proper app screen anymore. Now you are forced back through the home screen more often. A lot of users are already searching for where the app grid went. Your apps are still there, but the fast way to access them has disappeared. If you switch between apps a lot, you will feel this change immediately. But to be fair, it is not all bad news. The new app row shows more apps at once, which is useful. The interface looks cleaner and visually it does feel more modern. There is also a new side home menu and an upgraded shortcut panel. You get quicker smart home access and finally a proper sleep timer. So there are improvements here, but they cost you some convenience. This update is definitely going to divide people. One thing people are asking is how to move apps now. You still can, but the method has changed. You now need to hold the center select button on an app to open options. App organization is still there, but it has moved. Can you still sideload apps? Yes. Sideloading still works and developer options are still there. Apps like Downloader still work fine. Sideloaded apps still show up in the app row as usual. That part of the system has not been removed. Amazon says the new interface is faster, but early tests do not show a huge jump. In some cases, this new interface actually uses more memory. I would not expect this to suddenly make your device feel faster. This is especially true on older devices. The bigger story here is the direction Amazon is taking. They are pushing Fire TV more toward being a content hub. It feels less like a simple app launcher now. That is exactly why the missing app grid matters so much. This is not just a visual change, but a change in how you use the stick. I really want to hear from you if you already have this update. What is your biggest complaint so far? Is it the missing app grid or the bigger banner? Or do you actually like the new layout? Comment bring back the grid if that is the part that annoys you most. These comments help other viewers, so let us build a thread here. If you know someone who is confused by their Fire TV, share this with them. It will save them a lot of frustration. My honest take is that there are some good ideas here. The wider app row is useful, and the sleep timer is a nice addition, but removing that app grid feels like a huge step backward. That is the change people are going to complain about most. If you do not have it yet, now you know what is coming. The moment this hits my device, I will do a full hands-on follow-up. I will show you the best settings to change and how to deal with it. If your Fire TV has been feeling slow lately, stay tuned to TechVibes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure to like this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more. Please leave a comment below.